Hi, my name is Leslie from Berry Birdie, and today I'm going to share with you how to select your fabrics to create this ombre block. So you need to find fabrics that go from a dark tone to a light tone in a way that has a very subtle change to create this look. So I've gone through my pink fabrics and I've grabbed all the ones that I can find that I think will look well together. And I usually start with my dark fabrics. So I'm going to show you how there's usually 2 or 3 color tones in the colors that you have, and I'll show you how that you can kind of create a few different ones while you're looking through your fabrics. So to me, these ones kind of have a little bit more of a purple tone than they do a light pink tone, which is what I want. So I'm just going to kind of separate some of these out first. Okay, and then once I've kind of got a few going here, then I try to really take out the ones that I think are not going to work. So this one doesn't quite flow as well as I'd like, so I'm just going to move that to the side. And this one actually might be a little bit more pink than this this darker pink color, so I'm going to move that here. Oh, see how that flows a little bit better here with this selection. And I've got this dark pink here. Now when you're doing this, it can also be helpful to take your camera and take a picture as well of what you're creating and stand back and look at it. And it can also be helpful to kind of just squint your eyes, and if the colors seem to flow really nicely just by you squinting, that's a really good way of doing it too. It sounds a little bit funny, but it actually works really well. Oh, now here's a good fabric. This one I actually don't think will work with either of these. This one has a little bit more purple rather than this darker pink color, and you can see that it's actually not going to work well with this one either because this is more of a pink tone. So I just need to find something a little bit lighter. This one might work with this. Okay, so I have created a little bit of a ombre look with these ones, but I'm not sure if I'm liking how this one and this one are very similar, even though this one has a lot of white in it. And I'm not sure if I like how this one isn't enough contrast either, so I'm just going to see if I can find something that lightens a little bit more here. That might work just a little bit better, and I need 7. So I have 6 here. Now this one actually I don't think would actually work with either of them, so I'm just going to set that aside. Oh, that one looks nice with this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I have 6 of each, and I just need 1 more for each one. Okay, so this works a little bit better than the opposite way. And there you go. So if you just squint a little bit, you can see how that's created that nice ombre look. And there are 2 tones here. So hopefully that helps you as you're creating your ombre blocks or your other ombre quilting. And thank you for watching.